Are you looking for a stylish, compact, and fuel-efficient city car that delivers both fun and practicality? Well, look no further because today we're diving deep into the 2025 Toyota Aygo X Hybrid, a game-changer in the urban crossover segment. Toyota has taken its popular Aygo X to the next level, introducing hybrid technology for even greater efficiency and eco-friendliness. So, what makes this small yet mighty car stand out in 2025? Let's find out. At first glance, the 2025 Toyota Aygo X Hybrid maintains its bold and rugged design, which makes it feel more like a mini crossover than a typical city hatchback. The high-riding stance, muscular wheel arches, and sleek LED lighting give it a confident and youthful appeal. Toyota has refined the aerodynamics to enhance fuel efficiency while maintaining its signature compact proportions. Available in vibrant color options, including a new two-tone scheme, the Aygo X Hybrid is designed to turn heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Aygo X Hybrid is powered by a 1.0-liter three-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a seamless hybrid driving experience. This powertrain not only boosts fuel efficiency but also enhances the overall driving dynamics. The hybrid system allows for smooth acceleration, instant torque from the electric motor, and regenerative braking, ensuring an eco-friendly and cost-effective ride. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the highway, this car offers a perfect balance of efficiency and performance. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a modern and tech-savvy cabin. The 2025 Aygo X Hybrid comes equipped with a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system featuring Toyota's latest Smart Connect interface. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, ensuring seamless smartphone connectivity. The ergonomic seating and improved cabin materials make for a more comfortable ride, even on longer journeys. Plus, Toyota has enhanced the sound insulation, reducing road noise for a quieter and more refined driving experience. So, is the 2025 Toyota Aygo X Hybrid the perfect city car? With its stylish design, improved efficiency, cutting-edge technology, and advanced safety features, it's certainly a strong contender. Whether you're a daily commuter, a first-time car buyer, or simply looking for a fun and practical urban vehicle, the Aygo X Hybrid checks all the right boxes. What do you think of Toyota's latest hybrid innovation? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.